Ottoman plus Cossack use Polish-Lithuanian. Okay, I think this is not only Ottomans, it's also Crimean Tatars. Like, it's definitely it is. Subscribe to my channel. I'm Turkic nation, I'm Tatar. We going to react to this battle, I guess. Let's go.
Söyle bakalım, Zaporojye Ataman.
Tanrın hani Seymenlerini verirse, benim askerlerim daha büyük, hevesli yürür.
Seymenlerinin başına geçesin.
Вали відморозків! Бий!
Popatrz, co się dzieje na Ukrainie.
Напружок!
So basically, we did support Ukrainians, our comrades, Crimean Kaghanate, because I'm not Crimean Tatar, I'm Kazan Tatar, but still, in deep down, I think we are same. Like, I'm not talking about something bad, same, you know. Still, we have our difference now. We are different nation, but we still must forget about our united history and how we should be together as independent states in future. Okay, Western Cossack under Doroshenko crossed the Dnieper River and overthrew Moscow-backed Eastern Hetman. Seferi is also supported by Moscow with Polish and Lithuanian warriors. It's not about hate like to Poland people, to Lithuanian people, no, it's like now we are united, but we have same enemy as usual, and it's not there, it's not Poland, it's not Lithuanian anymore, it's you know what, it's Moscow.
Ну що ж, потім вдаримо з двох бок. Не король вручав мені голову, і не йому відбирати її. І не потребує його допомоги.
Він правий. Без татар самі на Єрему підемо.
Oh, so he came even to Ottoman Empire. So that's why it's Ottoman plus Cossack, okay.
Що я прибув сюди не для війни, а для встановлення миру між козаками і Польщею.
Panie, kraćcie. Nie macie żadnej rady.
Okay, so in Polish nowadays it's it was some wars, okay, between Moscow and Swedish.
To tu dość śliczny.
A kto ma żywność, niech się nią pożywia. Śmierć!
Wracać tu! Musi ponieść karę! Dobrze, a teraz porozmawiajmy o konkretach.
Selamımızı ihsan. Tabi cihan hocaysan, önce halkının üstüne.
Razum lepiej.
Belki de haklı.
Pekala başlayalım.
Oh no, wait, but them. Okay, Lipka Tatars also it's like ours. It's our brothers. Yeah, we're nowadays a little bit less, but still we remember you also. Siberian Tatar, Astrakhan Tatar, Kazan Tatar, Crimean Tatar, Lipka Tatar, and many more. We all should unite. We all being assimilated. We all being destroyed and erased, being in genocides like Crimean deportation in 1945, like starvation in Tatarstan in 1944. It's all still here.
Hadi ileri! Herrem Servolu! Kılıçlar hücum!
So Ottomans, Crimean Tatars, Lipka Tatars, and Cossacks was together. Okay, Cossacks. It's nowadays Ukrainians. If someone didn't know.
Kontynuować natarcie!
I like the cinematography of this, by the way. Oh, so here was also Wallachians and Moldavian troops with them, yeah? Crimeans, Tatars, and Lipka Tatars also. It's interesting how in that days was music when you was fighting. It was so back then, to be honest, like, you know.
Hadi! Durma, devam et! İleri! Hadi!
Әлі мен білмеймін, мені аңларлар ма екен тіріклер қарасалар. Мен татарша сөйлесем, мен әлі татарша сөйлесем.
Dajcie mu nauczkę.
Ognia!
I don't know how in Turkish it's, But vola in Ukrainian, in Tatar, gonna be azatlık. The city paid ransom in exchange of its freedom, while Tatars detachment raided the countryside. It's city of Lvov. Yeah, it's now Ukrainian city. Okay, so now siege of Krakow.
Co mamy robić? Sejm decyduje o każdym groszu, a szlachta
From what film, by the way, this is?
zbiera się na wojnę jak sójka za morze. Miłościwy królu!
Zbliża się druzgocąca
Ty za
porażka.
to odpowiesz.
А для встановлення миру між козаками і Польщею.
Dotrzymacie warunków pokój. Nie dotrzymacie. Fajto.
Ні тебе, ні твоїх воїнів я в біді не залишу. Вірю в це ось. Мене Запорозьке Січ обрала гетьманом, і ніхто мене змінити не може.
Ta cihan olacaksan önce halkının üstadıyız. Ve lakin daha güzel.
Ми вже бачили таких. Вони приходять і відходять у забуття.
Emredersiniz efendim.
Okay, so this was cool. This was cool. We was friendship. We had friendship before. We are Lithuanian Tatar, Lipka Tatar, Crimean Tatar, Kazan Tatars, maybe even, you know, because Crimean Tatar and Kazan Tatars were very, very yakın. Some of Crimean guerrillar Kazan'da da oturdular. They was in Kazan. They did rule with us. So we were very, very near to each other. And that's why we still together with Ukraine. Azatlık Tataristan'a. Bye.